Vivid English Avenue Stories Channel.
Have you ever wanted just a little more? More money, more time, more things. What if you had a magical pot that could double anything you put inside? Would you use it wisely, or would you let greed take over? This story isn't just about magic. It's about something real, something inside us all. So listen carefully. This story might surprise you. The Magic Pot, a 2 English listening story. Once upon a time, in a quiet village, lived a poor but kind man named Arjun. He didn't have much. Just a small hut, an old cow, and a tiny field. But he always said, "I may be poor, but I have peace. That's enough for me." One hot afternoon, while digging in his field, his spade hit something hard. Clunk. Curious, he dug deeper and uncovered a shiny metal pot. It looked ordinary, but it felt strangely special. To test it, he dropped his lunch into the pot, just one piece of roti. Suddenly, pop! 2 rotis appeared. He blinked, then blinked again. Wait, did that just double? He whispered, staring in disbelief. He gently touched the fresh second roti. It was warm. His heart started to race. He rushed to find a coin and dropped it in. Pop! 2 coins. Arjun's jaw dropped. "It's a magic pot!" he shouted, spinning in circles, his hands in the air. "I'll never be hungry again." His eyes sparkled, not just with joy, but with something else now. Possibility, power, a new kind of hunger. At first, Arjun used the pot wisely. He doubled food, clothes, tools. He shared meals with his neighbors. People admired his kindness. "You've been blessed, Arjun," said the village elder. Arjun nodded, smiling. But that night, he stared at the pot for a long time. He thought, if I can double food, why not double money? The next day, he placed a silver coin inside, then a gold bangle, then a bag of rice, then 2. The hut began to fill. He bought a bigger house. He stopped talking to the villagers. When a little boy came to ask for some rice, Arjun looked away and said, "I'm busy today." He closed the door quietly, then locked it, and then whispered to himself, "There's never enough. Not yet. Just a little more." One night, Arjun tried to double everything he owned: clothes, coins, even chairs. The room became cluttered. Too many things, too much noise, too little space. As he reached to toss in one last bag of gold, his foot slipped. Whoa! Ah! He fell headfirst into the pot. Flash of light. Pop! Now, there were 2 Arjuns. They looked at each other in shock. "Who are you?" "I'm Arjun." "No, you're the copy." Voices grew louder. "Get out of my house. This is my gold." They shouted. They shoved. They argued endlessly. And the magic pot sat between them, quietly, as if it was never the problem. The villagers gathered outside the house, hearing the chaos inside. One child asked, "Why is Arjun shouting so much?" The old village woman shook her head. "Because he's lost something." "What did he lose?" She sighed. "His peace." The magic pot gave Arjun everything he ever wanted, until he wanted too much. Greed doesn't just give you more things. It gives you more stress, more confusion, more noise. It takes away your quiet heart. True peace is not in doubling what you have. It's in knowing when to stop. So ask yourself, if you had a magic pot that doubled everything, would you use it wisely, or would it change you? Sometimes the real magic isn't outside of us. It's in learning to say, "This is enough." Thanks for watching Vivid English Avenue Stories, where simple tales carry powerful truths. If this story made you think, give it a like and share it with someone who's always chasing more. And let's talk in the comments. What would you put into the magic pot and why? Until next time, remember, don't let greed turn your peace into pieces. Now that you've heard the story of Arjun and the magic pot, let's test how well you understand it. I'll ask you a few questions about the story, so think carefully before you answer and say the answer out loud with confidence. Ready? Let's get started. What did the magic pot do? Answer B. It doubled whatever was put inside. What happened to Arjun when he became greedy? Answer D. He started hoarding things. What mistake did Arjun make in the end? Answer C. He slipped into the pot and created two of himself. How did the two Arjuns behave after they were created? Answer B. They argued with each other. What is the main moral lesson of the story? Answer B. Greed can create more problems than happiness. How did Arjun feel when he first saw the pot's magic? Answer B. Happy and amazed. What did the magic pot do after Arjun fell into it? Answer C. It doubled Arjun, creating two of him. What does arguing mean in the sentence? Now there were two of him, always arguing. Answer C. Disagreeing and speaking loudly. What could Arjun have done differently to avoid the problem? Answer A. Used the pot wisely and not been greedy. What lesson do you think we should learn from this story? Answer C. Greed leads to trouble, and happiness comes from sharing. How many did you get right? 10 out of 10? Comment below. Remember, learning is a journey, not a race. Keep practicing and speaking out loud. Like, share, and subscribe for more stories. See you in the next video. Keep growing with Vivid English Avenue.